Okay, we're gonna make a couple little videos while we're in quarantine with the kids, and we're gonna see if they are quarantine wins or fails. So our first one we're gonna do is we're gonna make easy homemade English muffins from one of my favorite food bloggers, I guess. It's Mels Kitchen Cafe, I believe is what this one came from. So we're gonna start out and we're gonna have some fun with it. When you're done, let it rise until it's doubled. So we're just gonna put this aside and let it rise. Here's our taste tester.
Good.